All right, let's go, chat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Monday morning, everybody. We are live. We are live. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Jake Dell, Tech 111, Lawrence Harris, Gentle Joy. Good morning, Dean Bishop, Samuel. Go it tomorrow. Good morning, Jack Wiley, Micro Player. Good morning, Black Coffee is in the building. Good morning, Niles. Excuse me. Jim O, good morning. Timbo, good morning. All right, let's see. Market only goes higher, chat. Go figure. We have pretty bearish news coming over the weekend. The Strait of Hormuz is still not open. Market open 300 points lower, and we're basically right back up to the open. Oh, go figure, man. This market is crazy. Trader 007, good morning. Sean Trader, good morning. All right, let's do this. I did trade overnight. It was just too easy. I just bought the dips, so figured why not on the take profit evals. I might trade. I'm trying to think. I might take a couple trades. I'm trying to remember how much did I make on those the first day? All right. Let's get the clock. We need the clock up. Hey, good morning, golf guy Mike Gutenberg. Good morning, man. What a the RBC Classic yesterday. That was pretty fun. Scotty Scheffler just could not quite pull it off. It was a pretty entertaining watch, though. Matt Fitzpatrick, did you watch that, golf guy Mike? I did. I caught just the end of it. I mean, to be honest, Matt Fitzpatrick should have won in regulation, but all right, market, we're just going higher. I mean, what's new? We really shouldn't be surprised at this point. We really should not be surprised. This market only goes higher. It's just crazy. I wish it would have held. I actually had a long here, the 700s, but all right, we are ripping right up to the 800s right at the open. 10 seconds to go. This is going to be very interesting to see how we open here. Ripping straight up through the 800s, 820s. I mean, this just looks so bullish. We are right back. We have officially, okay, technically we didn't close the gap yet. Gap close would be 840s, so I guess we'll wait. Man, I got to be very careful I don't get very bearish today. Just feel like with the news we had over the weekend, find it a little bit hard to believe that we're just going to keep going higher, but we got to remember, look at this market, look at this move. All right, let's see if we get a pullback here. Getting a pretty deep 760s now. All right, I want to see, I would love to see a move back down to the 720s. Can we get it? That's the question. I might try the 750s. I'm just going to try this really quick scalp. This 750 might hold and we might rip right back up. Okay, come on, give it to me. Rip it. All right, that's all I'm going to do on those accounts. I'm going to call it here. Let's lock out of the take profit accounts. All right, switching to Tradeify. Man, this thing gonna rip. Just no pullbacks, man. The market just doesn't care. Market does not care what the news is. It's just like, does not care. We just go straight up. Honestly, not going to fight it. We are just going to jump on and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the ride. The market wants to go higher. How much money are there in the world right now, even with energy pro? What's with this market? I know it's crazy. It's crazy. Hey, good morning, John. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Gutenberg, Citizen Zero. Good morning, the Hoodie Trader, Jim JB, Trader Kevin B. Good morning, the Great Dane, Ace Undercover, Cost D1, Dabda. Good morning. Average Joe, Raider for Life, good morning. Chicken, good morning. Faisal, Fred Yeager, good morning. Bracket orders are now mandatory for all trades on Apex. Where do you get this info, Fred Yeager? That's, I don't know where you're getting that info from. Don't be... That ain't true. It's on their website. It is not. What are we talking about? Okay, I'm gonna wait. Yeah, Fred Yeager, I don't know. You're just, I don't know where you're getting your info from, but that's just not true. All right, hey, let's see what we do here. I want to see a pullback. I'd love to see a move back to the 720s. If we can get it. Looks like I'm done with Apex. Why, John? Did you get the email? Are you getting moved live or something? All right, market, come on down. Really need a big, healthy pullback. Honestly, I wouldn't even hate retesting the 620s. We need a healthy pullback before we can trust this market. Hey, here we go, testing the 750s again. Come on, are we really just going to bounce again? Oh, man. We are going to just try to be patient. Oh, you mean if they're requiring bracket trading? Well, John, don't listen to people that don't know what they're talking about, because that ain't true. Unless I'm missing some, but there ain't nothing if of the sorts. That is like one, I don't know. But April 20th. Oh yeah, today is 420. Oh dear. Today is 420. We might be cooked yet. All right, come on down, market, please. We really need some kind of pullback today. I feel like, I mean, if this daily chart, if we just rip straight back above the, like, if we go take out the 27,000s today, which we definitely could, like, I truly don't know what to do. I mean, I know what to do, just go long, but still just how come the stream doesn't come up in my live list anymore? I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Who knows? I probably don't beg enough for likes. Oh, every 5 minutes. Oh, please hit the like button. I'll try to do better, chat. I'll start begging for likes every 2 minutes. Good morning, Design Knob. Man, this is I'm getting seriously tempted just to go long here. Oh. All right, I'm going to do it. Just trying to catch a bounce off this 750 area that seems to want to hold until right now. Come on. Rip it. A little scared here if this doesn't hold, but if I get another, jeez. We're trying to bounce off the 750s here. It's trying, kind of chopping sideways now. Man, this market just very kind of dead all of a sudden. But still like the longs here. I might try again. Let's try again. Really need to get above the 760s here. Come on, get back above the 760s. Go. Having some struggles here. Ribbit! Come on, go! Rip! Oh, it can't do it. I might kill this now. I might have gotten faked out there, but I don't like that. I don't like that, and if I don't like it, I'm just getting out. Little fake moves higher. We just can't seem to get it and hold back above the 760s. Maybe we can get a pullback to the 720s. Come on down. What a chop fest. Wow. Send me an email, Fred. Send me an email. Oh, okay, you did? Okay. Okay, we better pay attention here. All right, market down below. Hey, Discipline Futures Trader. Good morning. Good morning, PHC Trader, red-haired. Good morning. All right, we are right here at the 20s. Do I trust it? I mean, I think we got to take it. Come on, pump it. All right, we'll take that. I would love a move back down to the 620s. Even like just retesting this 620. It's hard not just to buy every single dip here and hold on. Oh, this thing gonna just rip. Wait, John, what? Comes in from Iowa, we get the cold weather from Canada. Oh, you were watching Max. Do you guys like Max Velocity over Ryan Hall? I mean, I like both of them. I feel like Max Velocity is a little bit more clickbaity, but I like both of them. I don't. It's not like I don't like him, but he's definitely a little bit more on the clickbaity side. And we are right back up, man. We just got to learn to hold. Let's see if we get above that 760 area, though. Don't want to trade breakouts. Do not chase the breakouts. Oh, okay. Trying to get above the 780s. Man, that 720 bounce was great. Did not hold. Is it gonna just make new highs? I feel like we're just gonna make new highs. You were in your basement, the tornado hit close to you, John. Oh, wow. Yikes, John. Well, I'm glad you're okay, but man, that's some scary. That's scary. Look at this rip. I don't know why I'm surprised. I don't know why I'm surprised. Market only goes higher. What do you think of a 2-to-1 trading? I'm not a big R to R guy. I don't really pay attention to risk to reward that much. Unbelievable. Come on, give me a pullback. I feel like we're going to have to buy the micro pullbacks. This thing is just going to be another bullish day. It's kind of hard to do, but I don't know. I don't know what else to do. Now rip it. Come on, go. Not going to be too greedy here. I'm just not going to be greedy. Oh, might jump back in again if we get a. All right, we pull him back. Do we try again here, the 760s? You know what? I could. All right. Got to be careful here. Uh-oh. I might need to close this quickly here. Buying the dips looking a little dangerous here. 755s. I don't know, the 760s. All right, pulling back, testing that 760 level again. She dumping. Wow. That pretty decent. Basically move right back down. Uh, Man, do I try one more here? Ugh. Ah. All right. I'm going to. All right, let's do this. Let's get him. Come on, market. Come on, come on. This is worrying me. I don't know, boys. I'm gonna have to kill this if we don't. If the 750 doesn't hold. Ah! Testing the 740s again. I want to see what happens to the 720s here. Is there a reason I don't pay attention to RR? No, not necessarily. Yeah, Fred, I got the link. I'm trying to find out what's going on. But that is, one source said that it's not true. I'm trying to get it confirmed. Oh, really, market? Now we're going to go? Ah! You gotta be kidding me. All right, I'm going to chase this a little bit. Come on, go. Just give me back up to the 700-800s. That'd be great. It's posted as a blog. All right, come on, man. Okay, okay. Man, this thing is being very whippy. I'm thinking about not trading these Tradeify. These Tradeify accounts have a 1250 daily loss limit, I think. Is it? Yeah, 1250. We got 1250 on these Tradeify accounts, so we got to be careful. I don't know if I want to really push it to try to. That's the problem when you take a couple losses, it quickly adds up trading minis. Market really not doing much. Jay Wilson. These are all funded accounts except for Take Profit Trader. Take Profit is, these are evals. And right back down. Wow, this thing is really being difficult. I mean, I'm kind of in. Just buy here the 740s. Okay, sorry, I'm a little distracted here trying to figure out what's going on. But yeah, regarding that article on Apex, totally BS. Not to that is not true, and it's being taken down. Somehow their public relations recycled an old, basically from an old article from 2 years or a year and a half ago. I was about to lose it. All right, retesting 720s. But it is not true. Fake news. I mean, it was on their account, though. Fred Yeager he was right. It was on their account, but by mistake. Definitely wasn't supposed to be. But whew, I was about to lose. All right, let's focus on trading. All right, 7. I don't know. Do I want to trade one more time? Do I want to trade these accounts? I mean, it's not, but the DCA thing is what really got my attention. They basically recycled an old news. Anyway, whatever. It's a no. All right. Do we take the 720 trade again? I feel like we got to do it one more time. This is the one. I'm going to give it a little bit of room here, but we can't be giving it too much. Oh, snap. Rip it. Rip. Go. Oh, go, 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 go. No. Oh, that was a fake out. Not a fake out. No. Ah. That was such a fake out if this doesn't rip higher. Come on. What? What? I mean, I guess we'll take that, but geez, what was that? What is going on here, Chad? This thing's looking very crazy right now. I'm going to regret not holding this, right? But when I'm in drawdown, I got to take my profit. I can't be giving back. Is it going to do this double bottom here again? We're going to double bottom off the 720s, and now we're going to springboard and make new highs. Man, is this thing really just going to go now? I mean, I feel as long as we don't go below this 720, there's just no reason to short this. There's just no reason. I think where I've gotten hurt today was trading at the top of this. Can't be doing that. See if we break out through the 760s now. It's a chop fest this morning. This thing is. I mean, right here is where we got to get it. We got to get above the 760s if we I just don't want to. I really don't think I should trade this. Shop Fest, day 24, no eval or PAs to trade. Hey, nicely done, Matty Matt. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, 770s. It is trying to get, we need to get above the 780s. We really need to get above the 780s if we're going to get something going here. I mean, the fact that we haven't made, like, have we actually closed the gap, chat? I don't even know that we did. Let me check. So the close, the Friday's close was 841. 26,840. So we technically haven't even closed the gap. Technically. I mean, it was close, but technically we have not closed the gap officially yet. Gosh, I mean, it makes you think we're going to do that, right? Man, I might. This might be dumb. I'm looking for a trap and I'm not getting it. It's playing with fire. Really need this 740 to hold or I'm cooked. Yeah, we are so cooked. Wow. Getting destroyed in the chop. Is it going to hold? You got to think it's going to breach at the third time. Is it going to hold the third time? Do we try one more? Oh, that makes me sad. I mean, I'm going to try one more. We might be cooked. We need a big, big ripper. Big ripper. Come on. We need to move back to the 740s or 750s, 70s. If this fails, we are probably going to hit the DLL on these accounts. I don't know if I have enough room. Should have waited and just bought this at the very before that last trade. Moment of truth here. Either we go or we don't, but we're going for it. Come on, we need it. We need a rip. Need it bad. Go. Beggars can't be choosers. Go. Rip. Rip. Go. Okay, beggars can't be choosers. We got to take that. Ooh, that was close. That was so close. Oh, I'm going to regret not holding this. I was like $100 away from hitting the DLL, so. All right, now we wait. Is it 720 just going to keep holding? Do we try one more time? One more time for the road? One more time for the road. Come on, rip it. Don't be an idiot here. Don't be an idiot. Rip. Rip. Trading one mini it's a certain kind of life. Trading one mini on a 1250 daily loss limit, that's playing with fire every trade. I'm just going to try for these 10 point, 5 point, 10 point scalps. And if we can get these accounts back to, if we get these accounts back to $150 in profit, we stop trading these for the day. We've definitely been playing with fire this morning. All right, market. Is it going to hold? Do we try one more time, chat? One more time for the road. Feel like this is not going to hold. Man, are you serious? I guess we should have just bought the 720s again. It's crazy. Was in Key West when a Category 2 hurricane hit was so much fun. It was flooded with about a foot of water and everyone was still in the bars drinking. Are you serious, John? Oh, that's crazy. Yeah, Kid Poker. Well, I think NQ had its largest move higher in the shortest amount of time ever. It's crazy, Kid Poker. Even like today, I mean, the weekend, we basically got news that everything that the reason the market went higher, that basically was false or no longer the case. And the market doesn't care, just does not care. Anything, it seems like any kind of news is just, it's just not a big deal. If it's bad news, the market shrugs it off, just goes up. If it's good news, the market just rips like a crazy person. Which is how the bull markets, that is how bull markets operate. They just keep going higher. So I guess we just got to get used to it. I am going to try my very best. I'm going to try my best not to fight the bull market. Even though I might not agree with it, I can't fight it, or I know I'm going to get killed. All right, market, do something. Either rip it lower. I might try another long here, honestly. The fact that we have held so far is insane. Don't fake me out, market, please. Ribbit! Thank you. Let's go, chat. 10 points at a time. 5 points at a time. Eventually. I mean, we just... Seems too easy, but just got to buy the dips. It's beyond overdue for a red day on NQ. I could not agree more of Kid Poker. I agree, 100%. You know, when I thought that, when we were at this move right here, on this day, I was so convinced. I was so sure we're going to have a red day. Like, I was just so sure of it. And we just didn't. I mean, since that time, we have gone up 800 points with very, very little pullback. I don't know, man. It's hard to rationalize the market. But you know how the wise men say? The wise men say the market can stay irrational way longer than what we can stay liquid. So I think there's a lot of truth to that. It's just crazy. Longest win streak since 92. Yeah. Design up. It's too easy. Good morning, RX. Good morning. AI ancient gods. Dow closed its gap and has been selling off. Really? Oh, I see. I see, John. Yeah, fake news, fake market. It's almost like the government implemented a buy zone or a buy. Like anytime the market dips more than X amount of percentage, just massive amounts of money gets put in. I don't know. I have no idea if that's true or not, but this is where I've gotten hurt every single time today. Trading, going long at the top of these moves. That's what I got to be careful of. Can't be doing that. All right, are the 720s, are we going to hold the VWAP here or not? Man, I might try it again. Just trade the range, you know? I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it again. Why not? We know where we're wrong. Right here, 712s, we got to get out. We might be cooked. Oh, no. It's okay. It's okay. Small loss. We just take the loss. Okay, we are going lower, chat. Testing the 700s. I'm glad I just got out of that trade. Let's see if we get a big bounce here or not. Do we get some kind of continuation here? This could just be another buying opportunity. 690s. Man, 680s, I might try it. Oh, I swear I gotta be patient. Looking for that rip higher. Come on. Buy the dips, they said. It's too easy, they said. I don't like this. We're not seeing the bounce. If we don't get a bounce here, I'm gonna kill this. We gotta get this now or I'm out. Man. Trying to be patient. Give it a chance. Can we give it a chance? Go! Come on, man. Don't be faking out here. Go! Oh, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. Yeah, we might be cooked. Pop it! Go! Rip it! Just can't wait. I can't wait. It's nerve-wracking to buy these dips. You know, you would think it would be easy buying the dips, but it's really not. It really is not. And that's why I just take profits. This thing, I don't know. Starting to look a little questionable. 680s is, or the 670s is kind of the next area where we might try it. We just need to get like 2-3 trades in a row. 2 to 3 winning trades in a row, and then we're good. It might not be a dip. Yeah, I don't know. Be careful. The hourly chart went below the 90 MA. Yeah. I'm getting redder and redder. I will say, I went to the beach. So we went to the beach yesterday and I got burnt. Like, I got burnt pretty bad. You should see my shoulders. My shoulders are feeling it like, oh, it's still warm to the touch. So I definitely got cooked, literally, on the beach yesterday. Oh, I'm still feeling it. That's why I do look really red today, which that is what I look like. All right, we are going lower, testing the 685s. What's going to happen? Wow, look at that. Now it's going to rip. Just see, I mean, this thing is really slow, but we are just slowly kind of grinding lower. We're definitely not seeing that rip, that massive move higher that we're kind of used to seeing at this point. Man, I might try again here. Come on, give me that rip. Rip it. Go. Come on. Hit it. Let's go, chat. I'm trading 5 minis on TOS. Hey, good luck, my friend. ES probably wants VWAP when we bounce. Our tech, I would think we need a red day. I mean, I agree. I kind of agree. But I can't go short. I'm not allowed. It's legal. Legally, I'm not allowed to go short. So it is what it is. We got to go long. I think as long as I just stay patient, and I got to make sure I buy at the bottom of the channel and not this breakout. Don't want to be buying the breakouts. I'm down just about as much as you. Let's see who goes back to green first. Let's go, RX. Good luck to both of us. Is it against prop firm rules to short today? No, it is not. No, you are allowed to short. I'm just saying, for me personally, I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed to short. I'm not allowed to short when the market is so bullish. I get in trouble. All right, this is interesting here. Are we gonna is this gonna trap here? Right here is where we would trap. Oh, I do want to try it, but I'm not no. Oh, chat, something's going on. Hold up, wait a minute, snap. Hold on, chat. What a rip lower, jeez. What happened? Barron Trump must be selling. Barron must be selling. That's some kind of news. That has to be news related. Do I try to jump in here? My goodness. It's a dangerous thing to do. Ooh, there's something happened. That had to be news related, right? Whatever the news is, chat, I want you guys to remember that it's going to be good news. It doesn't matter. Even if we dropped a nuke, we could be in a World War III. Market's going to interpret that somehow as good news. So just be ready. Just be prepared. It's going to be good news somehow. See, market ripping straight back up like nothing happened. No big deal. Nothing to see here. Trump says ceasefire expires Wednesday evening. Washington time. Oh, are we going to do the whole dog and pony show again? Hey, the ceasefire's over. Hey, I'm going to bomb you, blah, blah, blah. And then they're going to be like, oh, okay, we'll let you guys through. And then everybody like, yay, it's world peace. And then a day later, they will start bombing again. It's like a never-ending cycle. Never stops. It's like, what are we doing? Trump, highly unlikely I'll extend the ceasefire with Iran. Oh, that's crazy. When it got close to closing time, one of the attendants in the building opened the door while we were painting in the hallway, and he said, that tornado is going to get you guys. It's called insider trading. Exactly. This little dump. That was Barron Trump. Yeah. 100%. This little dump was Barron Trump. I know. I don't trust. I'm going to wait. There's no need to trade this. I feel like we could be in for some violence. Market might. Hang on. I want to look at something. Hang on. Let me zoom in. We need to zoom in for this. We still have a green candle. Still green, chat. It's still green. What are we doing? Are we going lower or not? Man, I'm so tempted to try a long here. Maybe I should trade micros. Okay, I wish I hadn't done this. Can I undo this? Where's my undo button when I need it? I've got to be idiot. What an idiot. I deserve that. I chased it. I'm not sure buying the dip is a good plan anymore. Never mind. Oh my gosh. So annoying. Go figure. Now it's going to rip higher. It just had to fake me out first. You little idiot. Gosh, I feel like I should stop trading these accounts. I feel like I'm pushing my limit on trading these. Gotten them back to almost break even a couple times, and then it just make one bad trade. Make two good trades, one bad trade. I'm definitely going against like the short-term trend. The short-term trend is definitely lower, but I don't think we could. I mean, this thing has just been parabolically going long.
Order filled.
Last trade, if on this account, if this is if I take a loss here, I gotta close it down. Definitely being definitely pushing my luck here. Need that big spike higher. Come on, trap the shorts. Trap the shorts. Come on. It doesn't want to do it. It does not want to do it. Rip it. Rip it. All right, we got to take it. I'm gonna regret not holding this. This is gonna rip now. I can feel it. Yeah, I'm gonna regret this totally. I'm gonna regret this. I'm not gonna regret not holding this, but I'm not gonna chase it. Let's be patient for one more trade, and then this is, oh, wow, look at that. All right, chat. You know what? I'm going to be a responsible adult. I'm going to be responsible. And I'm going to lock out of these accounts. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to do it. I can tell I'm not reading the market very well. I'm just going to lock out, save myself the heartache. We can handle a $200 red day. That is not going to be a problem. Recovering from 1250 red day is going to be way harder. We're just going to walk away on this account. We're going to switch over to trading Lucid. We're going to trade Lucid, but we're going to switch to micros. Or we could trade Apex. We'll start with Lucid and we'll switch to Apex. We're going to switch to micros and micros. All right, we're ready, chat. We are ready. All right, 620's about to be tested again. I just have a hard time not going long. I'm still bullish. Frozen North. I don't think so. I mean, yeah. I actually, you know what? I need to remove that video, or at least make a comment on the video I made about him. I don't want people going there. Yeah, it's unfortunate. Trade Apex with 4 minis. Melvin Bryan, you just want to see the world burn. Baron Trump is only 21 and he reads the market like an expert. Yes, he does. I don't know how he does it, Design Knob. It's an absolute mystery to me. I don't know how he does it. It's crazy. Yeah, I guess that's true, Frozen North. That's true. All right, here we go. I'm testing the 620s again. Do I do it? Do we try or not? I feel like I'm starting to become delusional if I keep buying these dips, because we are definitely going lower. Down to the 610s now. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. We got to, like I said, I'm going to keep buying the dip. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I'm okay with that. Feels way better trading micros, though. Feels way safer. We might fail here at this. Okay, 600s. All right, moment of truth. We either get a bounce here or we don't, and then we bail. Is it possible that we're going to have a actually red day? Is it possible? Say it ain't so. Oh, just buy the dips, they said. It's too easy. I don't know. Maybe we I might kill this. If the 600s don't hold, I'm just gonna close it. Take a small loss. All right, I'm out. I am out. Okay, chat. We might, I don't know, we might actually have a red day in the book. Look, I just see something on my chart. Look at this. Look, it's red. Somebody called Trump. Tell him that the market just turned red for the first time in a long time. We are dipping 580s. How many times then do I try to buy the dip before I can go short? Is there a law, some kind of thing I can go off of? I mean, I feel like at this point, overnight lows are down here, the 540s. 540s. So let's see what happens. Am I Jewish? No, I'm not. I'm not sure why. Trading micros is safe, they said. After 14 green days, why not just one red day? I mean, I agree. Why not? Why not just one red day? That's all we need. Are we going to get that 580 bounce? I'm still going to look to buy. I'm still looking to buy. I'm not buying this little pullback. We're going to rip right back to the highs, Chad. You ain't fooling me. Okay, give me an entry here at the 580s and I'll take it. Come on. No. Mm. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. You want to rip it? Let's rip it. Hmm. Come on, we got to go here. Really want to see this back up to the 620s. Rip it. That's right. Go, baby, go. Oh, there she goes. There she blows. Just buy the dips, they said. It's too easy, they said. Oh, this market is crazy. All right. I don't know how aggressive I want to be here, but 620s is probably not a terrible idea to take my profit. What I'm really going to wait for, what I'm really looking for now is an attempt move lower and a failed new low. Then I'm going to be aggressive on the longs. I mean, this might, I'm just hoping this is not the V-shaped reversal. Come on. At least give it per 10 pullback here. I need to go fill up my water. I'll be right back. Okay. I'm going to take this as the failed attempt at new lows. If we can just rip right back above the 640s, then we should be good. Come on, ribbit. Come on, let's go. Rip it. Rip this thing right back up to the 640s. If not, I'm just gonna close this. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. Okay, lucid trading. How do I take out the hourly at 672, just waiting for a miracle bounce. And I feel like if we can get back above the 640s, then this got some chance to rip higher, but we got to wait for that. This thing could also just roll over and continue to make new lows. There's definitely that option. Actually, you know what, chat? If we go below the 540s, that's when I'll look for shorts today. Anything above the 540s, I'm looking for longs. Anything below 540, then I'll consider going short. Consider. Won't mean I will do it, but I'll consider it. All right, here we go. This might be it. Here we go. Yep. 640s. There she goes. Should have held maybe, I guess, but is it going to do the V-shaped move? Hey, these are Melvin need 26,708. Why didn't you trade 4 minis on this bounce? Yeah, good question. Good question. I wish I knew. I wish I knew. Actually, I could tell you, but try to keep this a family-friendly channel. This time of year, I blow up my PAs, but then get an equivalent bonus amount from work end of April. It's torture. Right here, I do not want to chase this long. Don't want to chase this long here. Just gonna wait. What I would prefer to see is we start grinding higher. If we start grinding higher, then I'll just buy the pullbacks. How much do I need to count as a traded day on these Lucid? I think it's 150. I think. I should know this by now, but okay, yeah, 150. So I need $150 to count as a trade a day. That's important. Kind of important. Oh, there she goes. Oh, dears. Man, I'm tempted to chase this. I'm getting so tempted. Oh, man. I'm going to do it. Got to be careful here. Ribbit, come on, keep going. Go. Go. All right, I'm going to take it. All right, I need to look at it go. This thing is turning into the V-shaped move, chat. The V-shaped move is looking more and more realistic. Hey, Javier Roselle, Matt Kors always says good things about you. Hey, I appreciate Matt Kors. Matt Kors is a good guy. Yeah, I know, Kid Poker. Didn't I say this? I literally said when this thing crashed down, I literally said, doesn't matter what the news is, doesn't matter what it is, it's just going to be interpreted as bullish and the market's going to go back up. Like that is how the market has acted the last 3 weeks. It's like it doesn't matter what kind of news comes out. It might dip for a little bit, but then it's just right back up. I can't make sense of it, but that's what's happening. It's just very evident. The market is bigger than the U.S. war machine. I mean, it's kind of crazy. Look, we're right back to green candles. Don't worry about anything, chat. Everything's fine. World peace has been achieved, and we're back on track. How did I lose the TPT Pros? Jack Rudio, I had an open order sitting, and I didn't realize it. I had an open order sitting. I was using that's actually one downside of using the SIM account as your leading account. If you don't get all the accounts filled, which I guess that could also happen on the take profit, but I don't know. Yeah, I had open orders sitting and I didn't realize it. Really, really unfortunate because I was actually like $900 in profit, but I never realized it, and I ended up hitting the trailing loss limit. Didn't realize it till I got an email. I got an email and I was like, what a minute, wait a minute. I will say it's a lot easier to trade when you don't even entertain taking shorts in this kind of market. It's a lot easier to trade when you don't even think about taking shorts. You just, everything is a long. Buy the dips. You're going to take losses, but I feel like it's not as hard to trade than when I'm constantly trying to predict when we're going to have that one pullback day. You know it's coming. I mean, I think we all know at some point, like, look at this market. Look at this. At some point, we are going to have another red day. We know that for a fact, okay? From now until the end of the year, we're not going to have everything green. That's just a fact. So 100% sure we will have a red day, but we don't know when. That's kind of the problem. I thought after the weekend news that came out, I thought for sure, oh yeah, Monday's going to be a red day. Nope, overnight, just boom, right back up. And we were briefly red just for a brief couple minutes. Now, there's still a chance we end up red, but at least for now, just got to buy the dip and I don't know. Exactly, John. The day is not over. I would embrace, I really would not hate a red day. I would embrace it. But I'll believe it when I see it. Oh. Hang on. Is it just going to rip? Whoa! Whoa, what's happening? Man, this thing is... What are we doing, chat? This is crazy. I'm a little bit scared. What was that move? What was that? I want to go long, but man, that scared me a little bit. Ay, ay, ay. Man. It's crazy. The market is very how would I say? We've had a couple of those snap just rip, like, I don't know. I hate when the market does that. I might try a long here, but man, I feel a little feels a little sus. I'm just going a little bit smaller size here. But man, I'm just we're gonna chill here. Yeah, it's just 2 micros. We got plenty of room here. I mean, I'll give it room down into the 6, maybe 645, something like that. Okay, market, do something, market. Do something. It hit the 50 fib, then bounced. Trump is long now, so no more bombing. Oh, snap. Hang on, we got to pay attention. Hold up, wait a minute. Now it's kind of, this is where things get a little dicey. I'm just gonna wait. I think we're fine. I think we're fine. Well, chat, I don't know. This thing looking a little weak. Trying to determine if I want to add here. Do I want to add here, or do we just wait and see what happens? Or we could kill him. All right, we're gonna do it. Let's see if we can get it. If not, we're just gonna kill this. Come on, market, do something. Ribbit! Rip it! Come on! Where is that? Where's the momentum? Where is the momentum? Go! Go! And I don't know about this. This may mean, I don't know. Let's get that push back above the 70s. Go. It's starting to feel kind of weak. Feels weak. Right here. Do it. Do it. Gotta pop this. We gotta pop it right here. Pop it. Is this gonna be one of those hope and nopes? We've seen this movie before. The old hope and nope strategy. You go up, you tickle my entry, and then you just dump it. I've seen this movie before. Let's see. Is it going to be the hope and no? Rip it! Come on! We might just take me out on the 2. We'll re-enter. Now if we get moving, we'll leave it go. We'll let her run. Rip it! Give me the 680s. I'm going to take that. Okay, we're gonna call that a good session on Lucid. We're gonna lock out of Lucid and we're gonna switch to Apex. What could go wrong? What could possibly go wrong? Just look, I'm lock trading. Yes. We are officially locked. Let's go, chat. We're being responsible adults. Hey, Tim. Good morning, Tim. How we doing? Good morning, Tim. Sounds like my dating life. Oh, why do I gamble so much? I'm so angry at myself. Sorry, NQ. Do you know what makes Top Step move someone live? Seen some people moved after 10K total in payouts, but others have like 100K paid out before live. I have no idea, psychopathic trader. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. And right back down. Man, I'm so happy I just took profit and we locked out. All right. I mean, I still like the longs. I might actually take the longs here if this holds. I'm going to be very tight. I'm going to have a pretty tight stop on this. Hoping for a wick down below, and now we wick it right back up through the 680s. All right, I'm going to stop out here. Nah, not liking that. Oh, now it's going to rip higher. I need to start learning on these prop firms. Any recommendations on which one to start with? Yeah, I think Take Profit's a good choice. I think Take Profit or Lucid Trading are a good choice for beginners. I mean, Apex is also a good choice. It's pretty low cost for the evals. So you can obviously lower cost for evals, but then you have an activation fee. But most people that are just beginning don't pass their evals on the first try. Usually it takes them 4 or 5 tries. So if you calculate, if you calculate all of that, then it becomes less expensive going with the cheaper eval with an activation fee. It just depends. It just depends. Lucid and Tradeify, no time limit to pass. Yeah, that's the nice thing, Mr. Wall Street. I mean, Tradeify does, Wall Street, Tradeify does have they only have one account that you can pass in one day, I think. That is the benefit over Take Profit, for sure. Take Profit, you're going to spend 5 days minimum. Man, I don't know how to trade this. Oh, you mean it can take you 10 months to pass? Oh, yes, Wall Street. Facts. Yes. You can take your time. Okay, sorry, Wall Street. Yes, you are right. You are correct. Which I guess that would definitely be a benefit for new people. You guys are sleeping on my funded futures, on funded futures rapid account. 2 days to pass and daily payout. Yeah, I don't know, Frozen North. If you want it, go ahead. We got rug pulled by funding ticks. I'm not going to get rug pulled by funded next. Not saying it will happen, but there's too many similarities. And now we're going to go back up. Really, market? No email, no communication. As of Thursday, I guess I would reach out to him, but you should check your spam email. And there it goes. Now just back up. I don't know. This market ain't really that great. We're not making new highs. We're not really making new lows. This thing's just not great. Not great. And right back down. I don't think the market knows what it wants to do today. I think the market's confused. The market's confused. It's like, well, wait, we just had bad news. We should go lower. But then the market's like, nah, we can't go lower. We can only go higher. So all right, we are making a little bit. We are definitely kind of grinding lower now. So wait, there is bad news. I should go lower, but on the market, I don't do that. Pretty much MVP. That's pretty much it. No, Funded Next didn't. All right, wait. Are you talking about my Funded Futures, Frozen North? Funded Next didn't rug pull me on affiliates. I canceled my affiliate with them. My Funded Future did, but not Funded Next. But are you talking about my funded futures? Funded futures rapid account. Rapid account, I think, isn't that from Funded Next? Maybe I have it wrong. I might have it wrong. That might be funded futures. Oh, okay, it is my funded futures. Got it. Hey, then, yeah, okay, so it's my funded futures. No, I don't think my funded futures bad. You know, it's been months since I have kind of done a degenerate account. I used to trade Top Step, and they were kind of my degen account, which I did get some nice payouts that way. But I also blew quite a bit of accounts that way. So, Frozen North, do you think they're better than Top Step? I mean, this is definitely starting to feel like we might grind lower. We had that kind of crazy pop. We had a crazy rip higher from the 580s all the way up to the 700s. But now we're just kind of slowly grinding lower. Makes me nervous to go long. Makes me kind of nervous, but really don't want to go short either. Really don't want to go short. Basically, TBT with 90% split, but they pull you live quicker. Okay, I've seen that. Okay. Way better than Top Step. They have instant activation like Lucid, and payouts are instant too, and you don't have to deal with the project. I don't know, Frozen North. Maybe I'll give him a try. I don't know. I've really not. I've been trying to trade less. Or how would I say? I'm trying to like not watch the market 24/7. So that's kind of why I'm not just trying not to go crazy, but if the market, now that the market is kind of turned a little bit more tradable, as far as at least we've picked a direction, maybe I should branch out, get some degen accounts. Seems like a lot of little stuff to learn. I wish TBT would come out with pro accounts with end of day instead of trailing. These are, yeah, I mean, the thing with Take Profit Trader is, though, like, honestly, the intraday does suck. It does, but honestly, at this point in the prop firm space, I think prop firms that just stay the same, like prop firms that stay the same and just keep doing what they're doing, is like, I think that's a pretty big deal, or it shows they know what they're doing, you know what you get, you know what to expect. I like that. I think that's important. I like it. Niles, yeah, that article was not true. I got it confirmed by the man upstairs. That was just a glitch. It was basically an article that was recycled from a year and a half ago that was not supposed to be on their new website. And it's currently removed. It's no longer on there. Trade day is basically, yeah, trade day is also kind of the same, but they have end of day. I agree, Trader 808. That is true. I feel like I sleep on trade day. if I ever get back to where I'm getting some payouts, like if I'm getting consistent payouts, trade day would probably be the first prop firm I would add. The first prop firm I would add to my trading. But I have enough accounts. I don't need more accounts. I really don't. If I've ever been transferred to a Pro Plus, no, I haven't. No, I've not. I have not. AG, yeah, you can DCA. You don't have to have stop loss. You don't. That article that you saw, AG, was false, or not. It wasn't false. It was an article, but it was put on the website by mistake. And no, it's not true. Okay, market. Market is very dead. Trying to see. Oh, man. I'm going to check the weather. Fire weather watch. What? Why am I getting a notice? Fire weather a watch. In effect, Tuesday afternoon for much of West Central and Southwest Florida. Is that just like, what does that mean? A fire weather alert. What? What the world? That's weird. Is Nutty is TBT taking on new affiliates TCM trades? I'm not sure they are. They had, I know a lot of affiliates, a lot of smaller affiliates got purged from Take Profit, which sucks. Yeah, I hate to see it. There's a lot of smaller streamers that do a really good job. Obviously, they're just, and they just kind of got purged. So kind of sucks. I can imagine it's frustrating. We have that too in Georgia. We've been in a drought. Yeah, the drought was really bad. And then a little, like during March, we got a little bit more rain, but now it's been like 3 weeks where we've just almost had no rain. and things are so dry. So definitely don't want to be burning anything outside. That's for sure. All right, let's see if we make new lows here, or at least down through the 640s. Man, I still feel like longs here, but yeah, TCM trades. Wait, it's snowing in Buffalo, New York today? Oh, yikes. Hang on, let me check my cameras in Ohio. Is it cold in Ohio right now? I haven't even checked. Man, that's crazy. Wait, it was 29 degrees in Indiana this morning, frost advisory in Michigan. Okay, that means it was probably cold. Yikes. I will say it's been actually like the weather here in Sarasota, Florida, the last week and a half has just been beautiful. It's like 82 degrees, no humidity, what's like really no humidity to speak of. And just it's been beautiful here in Florida. All right, here we got the 640s here. Man, I'm tempted to try a long here. I'm gonna take wait, did I press a button? Man, for some reason I thought I hit the button, but maybe I didn't. All right, I'm gonna have my stop right here and hey, yo, road trades. How we doing? Come on, I need this thing to rip. I want to see it get back above the 680s would be great. All right, gonna have my wait. I need to change this stop to. All right, stop is at break even, and now we just hopefully we can get it to break above the 670s. We gotta break above the 670s if we have any chance. Come on, go. Come on, rip it. Get up through those 670s right here. Do it. We've struggled to get above this 5-minute 21 EMA so far today. Come on. Come on. Come on, market. Really? I'm going to have my stop here. I'm just not going to give this all back. Rip it. Come on, go. Go. Rip it. That's it. Come on, baby. Keep going. Come on. We got to keep going. It's going to annoy me. It's going to come down and stop me out. We're just struggling. We're struggling to stay above that 5-minute 21 EMA right now. Doesn't seem like we want to do it. And we're stopped. Go figure. I'm gonna be annoyed if this rips higher now. Come on. Really? Never fails. It's all right. Yep, now she's gonna go. The market is a heat-seeking missile that locks onto my stop loss whenever I move it. Yeah, I know the feeling. It does feel like that. I probably should have given this a little bit more wiggle room, a little bit more room. Yeah, look at it go. Man, if there was ever a time I wanted to short today, it was right here at the 680s. Be attempting short. We failed to get above this EMA all session long. And we're right at the 680s. We failed here. But I'm not gonna do it. But if I had to, this is where I would short. Hey, Black Coffee, I was wondering. That's on for it. Yeah, today's definitely been a tough. It's not been easy. Do we do one time? Do we short one time today? Just once? For some reason, I really want to short this. Oh, I know I shouldn't though. I'm gonna, okay, chat, listen. This is just for, I'm gonna do ones. I want to try one short only. And I'm gonna have my stop right here. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. I'm not allowed to get upset. I'm not allowed to be upset on this trade. Okay? That's the rule. Hey, you can short until about 3 p.m. because some good news is going to come out around 3 p.m. to keep the market from going down. No, it doesn't matter full tilt futures. You forgot. It doesn't matter what kind of news comes out. Bad news can come out. Won't matter. If bad news comes out, the market will just go higher. It's just how it is. You've been long bias all day as it dumps now that it's going up. You're going to look short. I know. I said, I'm not allowed to get upset. This is one of those trades where it's a totally a discretionary trade. But I have a stop loss in place and I'm not going to allow myself to be upset. If it hits my stop loss, it's okay. I'm just going to smile and wave. Just smile and wave. I low-key want the market to dump 20% in one candle. Come on, market, dump it, you idiot. I'm not upset though. I'm happy if you stop me out, but you know, would it really kill you to go lower one time? Like just once in your life? Would it really be that bad? Would it really be that terrible to just dump this thing 100 points? Would it really be that terrible? Would it chat? Would it really be that bad? Yeah, this thing definitely wants to go higher. I can tell. But maybe, just maybe, dump it, dump it. Dump, dump, dump it. Dump it, you idiot. That's it. Dump it. Don't you dare come back up. Don't you dare. I know it's coming up and hitting my stop. We all know it. There's like a 99.4% chance this is going to wick higher and take out my stop. I'm just going to prove it to you guys. It's going to do it. See, chat? See? Come on, man. I hate this market. This market is so stupid. It's actually dumb. Suck it, market. Oh, this is so annoying. So annoying. Seriously? Seriously, market? Of course you're just going to go higher. Of course. How did I not know this? How did I not know this? I've got a plan. I've got a plan. It's the reverse plan. It's okay. It's a bad plan. Terrible plan. Yeesh. No comment. No comment. No comment. I'm not upset. I'm happy. Smile and wave, chat. Just smile and wave. Market only goes higher. We all know this. This is a very well-known thing. How many micros am I trading? Galaxy Trader. First of all, in this chat room, we don't yell, okay? You've yelled twice now. We're going to be polite. I'm going to remind you not to yell. If you yell one more time, I will. I also don't answer questions if somebody yells at me, okay? So ask kindly, and please, thank yous are appreciated. Let's. There we go. Galaxy, that's better. See? I knew you could do it. Galaxy. So how many micros do I trade? Well, usually it varies. It varies a lot. Anywhere from usually 4 micros, but usually 4 to 8 micros is that's a good range for me. If I trade more than 10 micros, it was probably not on purpose. I'll switch and trade 1 mini at times as well. And now, is this going to pull back now? It's going to be a problem if it does. You know what they say about guys who type in all caps? Always, Nutty always be yelling. I don't yell unless I have to. Is there a video update on the live account? They moved me to live, but there's no follow email I can find with rhythmic connection instructions. Michael Poet, as of now, there is no, you have to wait. They'll reach out to you with an update. Just got to be patient at this point. This guy wasn't here for the Nutty Silver Mini era. That was I can't believe we actually traded silver minis on 20 accounts. We actually did that, chat. There is something wrong with me. Counterintuitive. No, seriously, if you got the email last week, you will be moved live. It will happen. Counterintuitive. That's funny. Okay, market. I'm about to, you know what we could do, chat? You know what I'm thinking about? I was thinking about going golfing. Problem with my golf right now is right here. This is the problem. My shoulders are pretty raw. I'm feeling the burn. If I go golfing, I'm not sure if that's going to affect my swing or not, but sorry for my grammar. I'm not a teacher, and if you don't understand, sorry for you, but we are going to end of day. Wait, Galaxy Trader. I feel like we're getting a lot of information here. If you don't, sorry for you. We are going to end up the day below 26,600, and I am short here at 26,680, and I will add at 26,700 if we get to it. Hey, that's fair, Galaxy Trader. Good luck to you, my friend. He has called his shot. That's respectable. Call your shot. You know what? You can either be you will either be right or wrong. You might be right, you might be wrong, but either way, good luck, my friend. I know. I was thinking about it. I'm like, maybe we could do a golf trade. I'll do a golf trade. I'll just go long because obviously the market only goes higher. It's been proven multiple times. So we could just, we could just go long and go golfing and make millions of dollars. Who is the market whisperer? The market whisperer is in the chat. Oh, you know what? I got a honey-do list here. You guys ever get a honey-do list? I should work on this list. That's what I should do. The thing about a honey-do list is we got to be careful that we don't complete them too fast. If you complete your honey-do list too fast, your wife might look at that as disrespectful and a challenge. She'll take it as a challenge, like she needs to put more of it on there. It was too easy to complete. Got to be smart about these things, chat. These are the things you learn. I'm going to be so cooked. Hey, Patrick Town. No, we didn't. We didn't make it to the air show, unfortunately. Unfortunately, we didn't. We really thought about going, but we ended up going out to eat. We actually went to Applebee's on Saturday night. Just a good old casual night out to Applebee's on Saturday night. You know what? I'm not going to lie. Applebee's burgers and their potato skins, I'm not going to lie. They're pretty good. I'm going to give them a grade. I'm going to give them like an 8.9 rating. 8.9 rating on the burger and about a 9.3 rating on their potato skins. Their potato skins are just the perfect combination of crispiness with still a little bit of mashed potato or potato texture with some cheese and bacon on top, dipped into some creamy ranch. Oh, it's great. Is my wife a redhead like me? No. She is not, thankfully. I see, redheads aren't attracted to other redheads. It's like something about it. Hey, Patrick Town, you're good. You're good, man. All the Applebee's in Kansas City are closed over a year ago. Are you serious? Counterintuitive. That's crazy. Don't insult your wife's cooking like that online. I didn't do anything. As Dave Fortnite would say, that's a rookie score. Hey, I am actually I'm a great food grader, okay? M. Susan, that's right. She will say that was too easy. You know what? I'm ready. I can't wait for this year's Internet Invitational Golf Tournament. This year's Internet Invitational, oh, I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. That's a safety thing. If two redheads were together, it would have dangerous outcome. That could be true. That could be true. Redheads are known to be pretty fiery. I'm a pretty chill guy, though, unless, I stay pretty even keel, as you guys see. You guys can see on my stream and watching me trade. And when I'm in a trade or out of a trade, my demeanor stays relatively the same. So you guys can see I'm very even keel. Like, even though I have red hair, I'm a very even keel kind of guy. Doesn't really, emotions don't really affect me that much. If you've been watching me, you'll know. Very calm guy, very calm. Yes, I'm a very zen type of trader. The emotional trade, the emotionless trader. I don't know why you guys are laughing. It's not funny. Mark Weaver, hey, how we doing, man? Got any golf tournaments lined up? You know what? I wish. Of course, the Amish Open. This is the biggest tournament. Is Amish Open. Jinzo. What are you guys capping about? I don't know what you're talking about. But I can't wait till the Amish Open, but we all know I'm going to suck at it. Actually, no, I'm not. This year is going to be different. This year, I'm going to make the cut, and I'm going to make you guys proud at the Amish Open. I'm going to do it. I'm going to make you guys proud. You thought I was a Buddhist before. I'm so emotionless. Can we see an update of your pool time-lapse video? I missed it last time. Oh, I love showing time-lapse videos. You just say the word, I'll show you video. I love showing videos. It's so much. If there was a second thing I could do, I would do a video editor. I would learn how to do it. I'm going to play my first round of golf this week. Any tips? Alpine, very funny. You realize the first of the week is actually Sunday, right? It's not Monday. So you already played. I know you've played you've probably played 10 rounds this weekend. But the biggest advice I can give a new golfer, and this is listen very closely. This will change your golf game. This will absolutely change your golf game. If you're new at golf, the best thing you can do is to put the ball in the hole. It is, Jinzo. It's very time consuming and I'm not good at it, but it's fun. It's fun. Yeah, you're welcome, chat. Yeah, if you put the ball in the hole in golf, the faster you put it in the hole, the better. See, you don't see that kind of good information on YouTube nowadays, do you? Oh no, Alpine, that's the second part of the advice. So the second part of the advice for golfing is if you're struggling to put the ball in the hole, that just means, it doesn't mean that you suck at golf. That's not the issue. If you can't put the ball in the hole, you don't suck at golf, okay? That's not the problem. You just need new clubs, okay? That's all it is. You just need new golf clubs. It's the tried and true method. So if you're struggling with your driver, you need a new driver. If you're struggling with your putter, go buy a new putter. It's true. Oh, here, I forgot. You wanted to see the time-lapse video? Here you go. Are you ready? Here we go. This was on March 16th when they started. So March 16th, they started. You know what? The other thing that's really cool watching this video, watch the water level at the back. And you can see that we've been in a drought the last 4 weeks. The water level keeps going lower and lower and lower. These guys don't mess around when it comes to building a pool. They know what they're doing. You can put the ball in the hole without clubs. Just walk a bit and drop it in. Okay, let's not overcomplicate it too much. Yeah, I'm building a bunker. We can call it that. Still trying to figure out how I can get this as a tax write-off. Feel like if I trade from my pool, maybe I can write off this as a tax write-off. Hopefully the IRS isn't listening. I should probably speed this up. This is kind of a long video for a time lapse. And there you have it. The shotcrete is done. Man, this market is just very... Now they're putting in the plumbing. Now they're going to put in the footers. But I think, yeah. Wow, market continuing to pull back. I didn't get a time lapse. Unfortunately, I was in Belize when they did the tiles, so wasn't able to get a time lapse of that, unfortunately. Made me sad. This is now installing, they did the tile and the cap. This time lapse here is also pretty bad because it's the glare off. The glare of the sun makes it impossible to see what they're doing. You'll see it when they wash it off. So dusty. There you can kind of see it. And that's the stage we're at right now. Waiting, actually, I think Thursday or Friday of this week, they're going to do the cage. All right, do we try along here? Man, I don't think I should trade. I should probably call it a day. Really, this thing is going to rip right back up. Seems we are at a 50-50 trade probability. You need to focus tree live hedges on both sides for privacy. Yeah, I will. Oh, you mean the ficus trees and yeah, we're going to have hedges and stuff. The pool cage also helps for privacy. Alan trades the Apex payout legacy accounts. Yeah, I know. There's really not much to do than just be patient. I know there's some people that have waited 3 weeks and more. So just got to be patient. It sucks. Wait, your local course has a 4 club tournament? Oh, what would my 4 clubs be? That's actually pretty good, Alpine, a 4 club tournament. I would have a putter. Oh man, what would I do? I would have a putter, my driver, and my 58-degree wedge. My 58-degree wedge, and then my, oh man. See, it depends where I'm playing, and it depends which from, like, how long is the course? Gosh, that's actually a really cool concept. Or you could do the hybrid. You could do a hybrid, but okay, if I do the hybrid, then I would have to go with a 7-iron. Gosh, that's actually a gene. I mean, I feel like driver is almost a given. I know, but okay, 90% of the holes, you're going to be able to hit driver. And if I can hit driver on a par 4, if it's not from the tips, I can usually get close with a 58-degree. So it'd be a wedge in. The par 5s would be the problem. Par 5s would be the problem. I think I would need an 8-iron. I think I would do an 8-iron or a 7-iron, maybe 7. Driver, 7-iron. Actually, I would do the 50-degree. The driver, 7-iron, 50-degree, and the putter. I think those would be my choices. You could putt with a wedge, but I don't think I would do that. I don't think so. I think I would go with I need my putter. The putter is just too important. Now, Alpine, if I had your putter, then I would just use a wedge. You know what I'm talking about. Driver, putter, 7-iron. You would use a 4-iron tech. Ooh, interesting. Why the 4-iron? I would need my wedge. I would need that wedge. I feel like that's a non-negotiable. If I get rich, I'll switch. You cap. That's a straight cap. Oh, you are crazy. You're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. I would lay on my stomach and use the end of my club as a pool cue for putting. That would be hilarious. Driver, putter, 5 hybrid, and a 9-iron. Okay, I could see. I actually thought about you could switch to like a 4 hybrid, a driver, and then the 50-degree. But I don't think I would. I need my 7. Give me my 7-iron. I can loft my 7-iron, and I can hit my 7-iron. I can hit my 7-iron 190 if I need to, and I can hit it 170 if I need to. or less. And then my 50 degree, I can hit 130 to 120 if I need to, but I can flight it down, and I can get anywhere in between. So I still think I would use driver. I'm on the fence between a 7-iron or an 8-iron. I feel like an 8-iron is probably, the problem is on the par threes. It depends what tees you're going off of. Actually, you know what would be interesting? I wonder if I can see which clubs do I use the most. I think I can. By the way, chat, did I ever show you guys my the best round I've had so far this year? Best round I had so far? Oh, it was so much fun. First hole, this was probably the most fun I've had playing golf in a very long time. Oh, this hole, that was annoying. Should have had birdie on that. I love this Garmin app, like the watch, how it tracks all my shots. Like this, it'll track every single shot. So nice. Actually, this is not supposed to. I don't know why this, sometimes it'll duplicate it, but it's not right. Man, man, this makes me want to go, I want to go play golf today. I don't know how I can tell which clubs do I use the most. This is AI. I was there. Hey, don't tell people, Jim. Don't do it. You're adding. Hey, Galaxy Trade is still here. He's still short. Good luck, man. I hope you get it. I don't hate a short here. I don't hate it, but I'm not going to do it. I did it once. I can't do it again. I'm not allowed. I'm not allowed to go short. It's illegal. Has anyone ever seen speed golf? Yeah, I saw a couple videos. You know how long I would last on speed golf? I would last when I hit off the tee, and by the time I would get to my second shot, I would be dead. It would be pretty short-lived. It would be a terrible idea. I'm so out of shape, it's actually embarrassing. I should probably walk when I go golfing, but every time I go, I'm ready to go golfing and I think about walking, I'm just like, that sounds like such a terrible idea. You know what? I wish I would have a different. Dude, this is the golf. These golf stats are so nice. Look at this. You can see my average shots on my drives. My average drive, I miss left 25% of the time. I miss right 29% of the time. I should actually update this to when I got my new driver, because I feel like my new driver, I'm way better. Way better. Longest drive, 300. My average drive is 277. my approach. Oh, wow. I'm actually short most of the time. Anyway, you know what? I actually think I'm gonna go golfing today, chat. You guys talked me into it. I wasn't gonna go golfing, but you guys talked me into it. Don't fade me, he says. Don't fade me. Oh, I love that. Don't fade me. All right, chat. I think I'm actually gonna call it. It's 12. It's 1 o'clock. I just don't think we're gonna get much this afternoon. I don't think we're gonna get much of a move. I'm very curious how we are going to close. I'm very curious. So, do I usually golf by myself? Honestly, usually they pair me with someone. But yeah, I mean, not always. I have a couple people here locally that I golf with, but I enjoy golfing by myself. But I actually know where I have the most enjoyment is when I play with a foursome and we play skins for pretty decent money. That's the most fun I have in golfing. That's so much fun. When the pressure is on and everything matters and everybody is playing PGA Tour rules or whatever rules we decide, that's fun. That's by far the most fun. All right, chat, I'm going to call it here, and we'll be back tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for tuning in. Appreciate it. Hit the like button on your way out. Again, thank you for all of your guys' support. I do appreciate it. And we'll be back tomorrow. Take care, and God bless. Kevin G. I enjoy. You are so bad. All right. See you guys.